Welcome to Stacy's Bangles. Tell them boy.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you all doing, guys? Hope you all are doing well. Okay, so it's been long, guys. How you all doing? Merry Christmas in advance and a prosperous new year in advance, guys. How you all doing? I've really missed you guys. So guys, today I'm going to be doing another episode of unboxing. You all know how it is, guys. You all know how it is. Today I have my Zalando. Okay, I made some order on Zalando and it came. So as usual, I decided to share it with you guys, my fam here on YouTube. I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. All right, so this video is majorly going to be about keep or return. Okay, so we are going to be making the choice together. So I'm going to be showing you guys, and we are going to like choose the one I'm going to be keeping and the ones I'm going to be returning. Okay, all right guys, let's dive into the unboxing. Here I have my package. So this is my package, guys. I don't know if you can see clearly. You can see my package. Okay, so we are going to be unboxing this together. All right. So how you all doing, guys? These days, guys, like I've been really busy. Like I haven't even uploaded video on my YouTube channel. So, but don't worry, guys. I don't really know when I'm going to be back fully, but I still upload some shorts on my YouTube. Guys, please follow my Facebook page. Okay, I upload also. I upload more often on Facebook than YouTube. Okay, on Facebook you're going to be seeing my because I do more transition videos, okay, before and after. So you're going to be seeing my work there. All right, so guys, here it is. It's really difficult for me to show the box because, guys, the box is huge. Oh god. So I'm just going to try to hold it this way for you guys to see. All right, so this is it, guys. So guys, this is what I have right here. So I have 2 boxes in here, but I ordered 3 items. Okay, the other one is there. So we are going to check it one after the other, guys. Let me just bring one out. Okay, this is the first box. All right, so this shoe is from Anna Feed. So you guys know Anna Feed, right? So I saw this shoe, guys. They were on sales. Like I said before, you know I always make my order on Zalando because things are really expensive there, especially when you want good stuff. So this is the shoe, guys. Wow, guys, this is lovely. Take a look. This is lovely. Wow, this is gorgeous, guys. Let me drop the box. Guys, take a look. Take a look at this. So what do you guys think? Is it going to be keep or return? So 1 minute silent for you guys to make a choice for me. So when you watch this video, guys, please drop your comments. Let me know if it's going to be keep or return so that I will know whether it's tallies with mine or not. So since I still have like 30 days to return, so but for me, guys, this is going to be keep. Okay, it's going to come this way. It's going to be keep. All right, the shoe is super gorgeous, and I took a size, I think I took size 40. Yeah, though the size is not written here, but I think it's written up here. Yes, guys, I took size 40. For me, guys, it's really nice. And one thing I love about this shoe is, I think when you wear it, maybe it's rainy, but the water is not going to penetrate inside because of the way they did it. It's like a leather shoe, okay? So it's really nice. And the price I got this shoe, guys, the price was really cool, okay? The price was really fascinating, okay? You can see, guys, it's lovely. All right, so let's move over to the next one. Guys, this next one is from Fila. Okay, you can see, And this one, guys, I bought it for 20 euros. The shoe was 50 euros. So that's the initial price of the shoe, or the original price of the shoe, 50 euros or thereabout. Yeah, 50 euros. So then I bought it, they were doing sales, and I bought it for 20 euros. So wow, guys, this is lovely, please. This is lovely. Let me bring the both out. So guys, no, this is just too cute, guys. Take a look. Take a look at this filler, guys. This is gorgeous. What do you guys think? I think this is, whether it's the ring light or the phone, I don't really know why it's not showing the way it's supposed to be showing. Guys, this shoe is giving. Take a look. I'm just trying to... Can you guys see it? It's pure white, but when you're looking at it here, it's like cream color, but it's pure white. So guys, what do you all think about this filler shoe? What do you guys think? What do you think about this? But for me, guys, it's also keep, okay? So we are keeping this one. This one is keep. This one is keep here. Yes, guys. Okay, I think it's better here. You can see, guys, this is super gorgeous. Like, it's super gorgeous. But this place, I'm still seeing cream color, but it's pure white. But the shoe is super gorgeous, guys. Take a look. So I also ordered this one in size 40. All right, I usually use 39-40, but if I'm buying his, like, or I'm getting a moccasin shoe, so I just take one size like 41. But since it's sneakers, I go for 40. All right. So guys, the first one keep for me. This second one is also keep. So let me know which one is your favorite, which one you want me to keep, and which one you want me to return. All right, guys, let's move over to the last on the list. Let's move over to the last on the list. All right, guys, let me show you. This one, guys, is not shoe. Okay, I only got 2 shoes. So this one is actually a Guess wristwatch. Guys, I've been waiting for this wristwatch like forever. So guys, this is the last on our list, Guess wristwatch, guys. So let's unbox this together. Let's see what we have here. So I'm going to take this out. You can see, guys, it's a Guess wristwatch. Yeah. Wow. First, guys, the packaging of this wristwatch is just so cute. Take a look, guys. See, the box is everything. So, wow, guys, take a look. Take a look at this. Guys, see, I've been meaning to get this wristwatch. Like, you know, this wristwatch, they also have the kind of imitation on AliExpress. So I said to myself, that one I think is like 19 euros or thereabout here. But this wristwatch, this Guess, anytime Zalando, they are doing sales, anytime Guess, they are doing sales. Before I get there, like, this wristwatch is not there anymore. Until on the 25th of November, Black Friday. I was just waiting for that Black Friday. On Black Friday, I said, okay, today, me I use Zalando. Here I come. So I entered there. I was just waiting. When it was time, then I saw that Guess they were on sales, because I already saw the notification ahead you get. So if you're on this table with me, you know how it works now. When you don't check that thing down to buy, you know how it is. You will keep spying and going there to check. You people, you know how it is. So don't act as if I'm the only one on this table, okay? So guys, until I saw the wristwatch, I was so happy. The actual price of this one is 250 euros, but I bought it for 75 euros, okay? For 75 euros. So guys, this is it. Guys, you can see they have this inside. This. That's all then inside. Okay, they have another paper inside. Guess. So guys, this is also going to be a keep for me. Okay, so let's just take this out. So in fact, guys, let's try this and see. So So we are going to be trying this on, guys, so that we can see if it's going to be a keep or return. All right. So I'm just going to take those ones out then. But it looks small, guys. I don't even think this wristwatch will fit. Are you kidding me? No. Okay, let me just... I don't want to say anything yet because the way I've added weight, guys, look at my hand. My wrist is super big. I'm just going to cry if it doesn't fit. Ah, thank God. Wow, I was worried, guys, because when you're looking at it, it's as if it's really small. See, it has space. I'm super excited, guys. Take a look. Look at this wristwatch, guys. Isn't this wristwatch giving what it's supposed to be giving? Take a look, guys. Take a look. This is also going to be a keep for me. What do you guys think about this wristwatch? So it has another space here, like in case if you want to, if it's too big and you just want to take some out, you can actually take this one out, then you leave the other one. But for me, I think I kind of prefer like this. What do you guys think? Do I still need to adjust? Do I need to take this out? Is it too kind of, it's too big? Should I adjust it or I should just leave it the way it is? Guys, what do you guys think about this wristwatch? But it's heavy. It's heavy, guys, but it's super cute. Take a look. Take a look, guys. Just take a look at this wristwatch. This is super cute, guys. I love it. Okay, I love the wristwatch. So for me, it's going to be a keep. So the 3 items I got, I'm super excited with all, and they are going to be keep for me. There is no return. Okay, no return. All right, guys, thank you all for staying with me. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you all for all the messages, all you are doing, the likes, the comments, the subscription. You guys are amazing. Okay, thank you all. I will see you all in my next video. Take good care of yourself. Have a wonderful Christmas and a prosperous new year in advance. All right, bye bye, my family. I love you all. Bye.